Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, then we need to select Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Now type c colon and hit enter. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space System32 and simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy ** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup1 and hit enter. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Now type dir and hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now type in cd space c colon / and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's execute this command. Type cd space Windows /System32 /config /regback. Then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space c colon /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space c colon / and simply hit enter. Now type attrib space c colon -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now type ren space c colon \boot \bcd space bcd.old. Then simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.